Hey, it's Chris Marlowe, copywriter's coach, out for my morning walk. Hey, listen, are you a copywriter who is struggling? Are you having a hard time getting quality clients? Are they not paying you what you're worth? Does it seem impossible to climb to that next level where you know that you can really make the kind of money that you need in order to be successful at this business? Well, if that's you, I have a tip for you today. One is that maybe you should take a second look at your copy, because high quality clients, they really scrutinize your copy. Now, what they do is they look for an inner ear, a sort of cadence. They want to hear a sound of copywriting that is almost musical to their ears. How do you get that? Why doesn't anybody teach it? Well, it's just a different world than it used to be. I was lucky. I got a really good education 35 years ago when I first started out. But I'm going to give you a couple tips today about how you can improve your copy so that you stand apart from the other copywriters out there, and the high quality clients will take a second look at you and actually say, hey, you know what? I like the sound of that copy. So tip number one is a copywriting technique called consonance. That is when you are using consonants, you're repeating consonants so that you have a nice sound of the inner ear. Think about this particular sentence, and you can tell me what consonant we're using. Increasing loss with store and store with loss. What consonant? That's from Shakespeare. It's the consonant S. It sounds nice, and that's why he used it, that technique. Another is alliteration. Alliteration is about repeating a sound at the front of a word. Now, the river rushed rapidly over the rocks. Nice, huh? Yeah, so use the repeated sound of any sound at the front of a word. Another third tip is assonance. This is when you're using vowels. Remember, consonance is about consonants. Assonance is about vowels. Go slow over the road, which this car coming back past me is not doing. Go slow over the road. What vowel are we working with here? Yeah, obviously it's the long O. So these are 3 copywriting techniques you can use to improve the sound of your copy. Inner ear, think inner ear. When you write your copy, when you finish writing your copy, read it out loud. You will be able to hear where all the bumps are. You will be able to hear where words don't seem to fit together very well. I was working with one of my coaching students yesterday, and we were trying to fit his target market into a headline. His target market is home builders. And we were trying to figure out how can we make that sound better. Actually, no, it was home developers. Home developers. How can we make that sound better? Because developer is a long word, home developer. So home builders. That just sounds better, doesn't it? So when you write your copy, just try a few of these techniques. Most of all, make sure you read it out loud. That's where you're going to really find the spots where you need to improve. All right, so if you like this tip, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And because I'm going to be coming out with something every week, as good as this or better. And also, if you wouldn't mind liking, I would appreciate that a lot. And also share, because there are a lot of copywriters out there who do not know about consonance or alliteration or assonance and how it can really powerfully improve their copy. They'll love you for it, and so will I. So just sign up right now for my channel, and I will be seeing you again in about a week.